What's up, everybody? It's Bitcoin Derrick. I'm going to update you guys on my day 4 with my Forsage opportunity. What we got going on here is an Ethereum smart contract opportunity that only costs $15 to get in. And you're put in a cycler, which have 24 income streams. No CEOs, no subscriptions, no nothing. It's a peer-to-peer opportunity where you're downloading from your Play Store a crypto trust wallet, and you are in control of your wallet. You are your own bank, and people are sending you payments to go to the next cycler, and each cycler pretty much double every time it go up. You got 2 different cyclers that you're put in at once, and on the first cycler, the X3, is pretty much your team bill. And on the X4, you're pretty much catching spillover from your upline and your downline. They're pretty much getting put in when they complete a cycle and go to the next, wherever the next cycler is available. They're putting people in, so you pretty much it's more faster. You're pretty much making quicker Ethereum that way. It's a wonderful opportunity. I haven't seen anything that can touch this. So if you want to learn more, just get in contact with me. I'm going to show you guys my progress for day 4. I'm going to paste my number is 2148. If you ever find a link, or if anyone ever share a link, if you ever get to this this page right here, you can pretty much type in any number and just go check out what I'm doing. You pretty much do that. Go inside. You can see my whole back office. Right now I got over $163, and in 4 days, that is very well for a $15 opportunity. I can explain to you guys. In my X3, I got $82, and in my X4 right now I got $82. It's pretty much moving pretty even right now, which is great. As far as the X3, I've recycled over twice. With the cycler, you're getting paid. With the number 1 cycler, you're getting paid 0.025. That's about, you're making about I would say $9. No, what is it? 3 cycles, you're getting paid 100%. You're getting paid about $7 per person that joined your cycler for this one. And I've cycled over 2 times, so that's pretty good. If I hit that, I think it'll tell me how much I've been paid. Yeah, I've been paid over $27 in that cycler alone, which is good. On my second one, I've cycled over 1 time. I've made over $27 in that cycling, so that's pretty good. And let's go back on that one. Then I'm on cycler 3, so I'm on 3 different cyclers. I haven't fully went through that one yet. Our team is still moving, and that's how we grow on. We get 3, teach 3. On cycler 4, you see it's got the first 2 people. It's got 6 different people that can come into this cycler, and the first 2 always go to your upline, and that last one go to your upline. And it also helps you recycle. These cyclers never end. When you get these cyclers, you're going to have them for the rest of your life. You can pass them down to your children. So imagine that you're constantly making money as your team grow and continue to go through the cycle. Right now I have over 20. Right now I have over 17 people on my team. I can show you guys exactly my team. My member list, as you see, I'm number 1. Then I got Al Kenny, Lakeishia, Senthil from India, Ruairi from England, Sarah, but the list goes on. You see, I got all the way to 17 people on my team. Then I want to show you guys exactly how I'm building. You see, Derrick Brewer from the United States, Al Kenny, Lakeishia, and Senthil, they are my 3. I do not promote my link anymore. As you see, Al Kenny, he got his 3. Lakeishia got her 3. And Senthil, where he at? Boom, he got his 3. And that's how we grow. Get 3, teach 3. Everyone get 3, teach 3, like we showing you right now. We will all be the leaders of this whole cycler if we build like this. Let's get it. You guys have a great day. If you need more information and want to be on my team, let me know. I can get you Ethereum. Don't worry about it. Just get the Trust Wallet. Download the Trust Wallet to your iPhone or your Android, and get in contact with me. And let me help you get set up and join a winning team. Have a great day.